beautiful people, thank you for stopping by. My name is Sasha Gay, and excuse the look, alright? I know my makeup look a little bit broken in, because it is. I just came back from work and I'm in a good mood because I have 2 meals I'm supposed to have for the day. I don't know, I have breakfast and lunch. I find that whenever I don't have breakfast and lunch, or all my meals that I should have breakfast, lunch and dinner, I'm not nice, you know? I'm a little bit on the grumpier side of life. So I am here to do a staples video. I should have done this video a long time ago. But before we get into all of that, please remember to like this video if you enjoy the content, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on that post notification so that you can be notified as soon as I upload a video. Let's get into it, guys. So you keep me firm and strong. Bad mind and jealousy just get me free. So you keep me firm. So the first product that we are going to get into is a new one to my favorites list. It's a detangler from Dr. Miracle's Strong Plus Healthy line. Yeah, I really like this product. It smells very nice, very mild. I can be sensitive to scents, so this is not overpowering but still smells good, so I like it. And it is an amazing detangler. This is actually my second jar of this. I should test that because I maybe get 4 uses out of this, but it detangles my hair amazingly and I love it. I've been using it, as I said, this is my second bottle. All right, the next product that we are going to go into is shampoo. Ooh, the bottle here make me not want to show no. Why it looks so busted? All right, this was in my shower, guys. All right, Selsum blue. Alright, so we have this for a little while now. It works nicely for me. It has some medicated properties to it. I don't know. Don't ask me what the medication is about though. I'm never look into it that deep. But I have scalp problems. I have flaky scalp that is itchy and all of that. And this product really just calms all of that. And I love it for that purpose. It can be a bit stripping, but you see, sometimes we have to pick with bottles, and personally, I prefer to combat the little dryness than deal with the flaky scalp. So it balance. Alright, the next product that I tried my best, by the way, side note, I tried to limit the amount of products I bring to Uno, but the side best I could do, alright? So just maybe grab a glass of wine because it might be a little while. Alright, so the next product is another shampoo, and this one is from ORS, and I love it. It helps with the scalp issues too. This is a very minty one. Don't make this catch it in your eye. Sorry, mommy, me mean eye. Me mean eye, but don't make this catch in your eye because trouble. Alright. This it wouldn't be pretty, but the same minty sensation will make you want it go in your eye, are the same reason why it is such an amazing conditioner. This is therapy in a bottle. I'm telling you, you feel like, whew, the minty sensation in this is more than you can ever ask for, and it is also very moisturizing, so your hair not feel stripped after you use it. Love my first bottle, and I will be repurchasing it. The next product that I will say is a staple as well is the ORS again, and this is what their detox soothe and detox, no, that's not what it is, scalp rescuing detox mask. All right, it wet because we just go take it out and me shower. This and the shampoo, I need not say no more. Bad, no, I mean good. They're good, both of them good, not bad. All right, so next product is the, and this had it me staple for a decade, right? We're going into, all right, So Shea Moisture Black Castor Oil line. This I did. You see, before YouTube, Shea Moisture Black Castor Oil line was really the only products I was using because they get the job done. I use it as a pre-poo to detangle my hair, and baby, it do. Can't complain about it. It did faithfully do what it's supposed to do and more, because it is also a great conditioner that feels very, very moisturizing. So that was a staple as well. All right, next one is this HASK. It's a deep conditioner, and this is the Argan oil one. And this is another baby. You get me? Because it could be used as a pre-shampoo treatment to detangle my hair before washing, and I use it as a protein deep conditioner too, because there is hydrolyzed protein in here, so it gets the job done. Worse when we don't need no too, you know, rough and strong protein. Very, very versatile product. It's another G. All right, this is a protein conditioner from Shea Moisture, and this is more of a intense protein treatment. I rarely use this because protein can also feel drying on my hair, possibly on your hair too, but you have to test the waters to see that. Yeah, but this I rarely use, just when I need it, and it gets the job done. My hair feels stronger after me use it, and all of them good things there. Another Shea Moisture product, and when you talk about favorites, okay, this act as my deep conditioner, my regular conditioner. You see, if it could have passed, it would have been a co-wash, but it can't really do that. But so when I use this for me here, it give me every single thing I could have want. Everything what I could have want from one deep conditioner. Moisture, it detangles, my hair feels stronger. Everything. Love it. We'll never stop using it. I hope Shea Moisture now I'll go reformulate the formula, because that just wouldn't be nice, but I love it. Another staple is from Shea Moisture again, and this is the Black Castor Oil line. Love this leave-in. It has a lot of slip. One thing we can tell you. You see, the entire Shea Moisture Black Castor Oil line has a lot of slip, a lot of moisture, and it smells good. Yeah, it smells good. So yeah, another staple. Love it bad. I've been through a lot of these, maybe like 3 dozen. This is another leave-in. I was wondering if I should show this one just yet, but this is another leave-in. I don't really use it as a leave-in though. Not only if I can't find the leave-in from Shea Moisture, I will use this as a leave-in. I don't know if it says I should, but I use this as like a refresher spray after I do a wash and go, or no, like, yeah, if I'm rebraiding or retwisting, replaiting or retwisting my hair, I'll use this. My next staple product is this oil from, I think, Queen's Magic Hair, yeah, from Queen's Magic Hair, and I really love it because it's a very light oil. I got this in a curl kit, by the way, and I will be repurchasing this. It's a little bit pricey, I must say. If I remember correctly, I think it's pricey. Let me check. It's a little bit pricey. I can't remember saying that. It's pricey, but I like it because I really like how thin it is. It doesn't weigh down my hair. It feels good on my scalp, and it feels good on my hair, and I really like that. And I can easily separate my hair with it, and it doesn't mess with my style too much. So if I'm separating a twist, or if my wash and go too crunchy and I want to put a little oil, this does a good job of all of those. and doesn't weigh down my very fine hair. So I really like this. My next favorite oil is from Dr. Miracle's Strong Plus Healthy line again. I got this in a curl box and I really like it because the running theme of my channel right now is optimum slip. It makes my life easier, and for some reason this feels slippy. It has a little slip to it, and I don't know which of the oils in here has that effect on my hair, but that's what's going on here, and I really like it. It's a bit of a heavier oil, I must say. So certain styles I don't use this for. If I'm doing a twist out or whatever, I don't use this oil to unravel. I might just use it if I'm doing more like a wash and go, or if I need to oil my scalp or something, or if I'm doing a braid out or a twist out, because it's really a heavier oil, a heavier viscosity than the Queen Magic hair oil. We are going to go over to styling products, and yeah, that's my favorite part, because I wouldn't even say it's my favorite part. Yeah, it is my favorite part. Yeah, so Alikay Naturals is the Lemongrass Hold It styling spray, and I love that. I'm going to do a video on the Alikay Naturals products because it's very necessary. I bought this set of products I ever come across. When it comes on to holding for type 4 hair in place, this does it. Like, this gel is what I have been looking for in a gel all my life. Alright? Don't be intimidated by how the gel looks. I'm telling you, say, it's bad. You understand what I say? Talk about shine, talk about hold. Me think that gel max 10, this max a freeze. As soon as you put it in a style and you soup it, you don't know anything about this Alikay gel. Alright? Next type of product. Oh, and the curl definition from this, not play with it. It's bad. I mean, it's good. Eco Styler, everybody's favorite. You don't know how this go. This is the olive oil one. And I also use the Argan Oil Eco Styler gel as well. I don't see any significant difference in these gels. Well, in between the two that I like, the Argan Oil one and this one, because it's the same strength. It's a max hold of 10. So the result is pretty much the same with both of them. But there are others, as you know, Eco Styler have about 10 million gels. Hold of 4, I don't know what I do with that. The 3A, B, and C girls might appreciate that gel though. I won't bash the product. Next product we're going to go into is the As I Am Twist Defining Cream. And this is awesome sauce. To be honest, of all of the products that I have, I could only find this product as a staple for my twists, braids, and stuff. And that's because of what I look for from a styling product. I think I'm going to try the Alikay Naturals Twisting Cream. I'm going to try that one because there are some things about this one that I wish I could, change. So I'm still looking for a great styling cream, but it does everything basically. I'll tell you what I love about it and maybe mention what I don't like about it too much. Alright, so I like the smell. The smell is great. The definition that you get from the product, of course, is amazing. It has good shine as well. The only thing I don't like about it is that it has kind of a greasy residue. I think maybe because it might be a bit too thick for my hair type, but it still works. It's not that it's thick to an extent where I can't make it work, but it has a lot of oils that kind of, for my fine hair, kind of weighs it down a little bit. What I find though is I don't need to reapply this product when you do a twist out. If you didn't know, let me tell you, when you do a twist out, you have to retwist that night. When you retwist, depending on how your hair feels, you might have to apply some more products. A little water, some more products. What I find when I use this though is that I don't have to apply the product. I can just spray it down with some water or with the Alikay leave-in I use, and the results the next day is bomb, just the same. So I think it's because the product is just too heavy for me why I have that result with it. I forgot the XTREME Wetline gel when I was doing the gels, so yeah. I also like this gel. It's not as thick as the Eco Styler gel, but the curl definition is just as good or even better, possibly. It's not as thick as the Eco Styler, yeah. And the crunch is a different kind of crunch from the Eco Styler. It's not like your hair not necessarily feels super duper crunchy. I thought this video would be much longer. I guess time flies when you're having fun. That's the end. Thank you for watching, guys. You deserve a clap for that. Clap yourself, clap yourself. I don't know what to say because it's not a styling video. It's just a sit down and chit chat about products, which, as you can see from this big old smile, excites me. So don't forget to like this video if you enjoy the content, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on that post notification so that you can be notified as soon as I upload a video. See you on another one. Bye.